Welcome to this ADHD Gratefulness meditation. People with ADHD are notorious for having 1,000 thoughts a minute, often getting lost in them, which is why mindfulness and meditation in general can provide some much needed perspective. It can be good to remind oneself, especially if your current mindset tells you that life isn't working out the way that it should right now, that there are so many things we take for granted and could be grateful for. With gratefulness representing the strongest human emotion, it can be used to combat grief, disappointment, self-doubt, you name it. Regularly practicing gratefulness will lead you to subconsciously attract a better and happier life, also helping you accept your ADHD. Doing this meditation consistently for 30 days is guaranteed to change your outlook on life for the better. Let's start out by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Whilst doing so, try to feel the air filling up your whole body with life every time you are taking these deep breaths. So, what are you grateful for? Well, how about we start by being grateful to yourself for practicing this meditation. At this moment, you are doing the best possible thing for your ADHD mind and spirit. So thank you for taking this time for yourself. Now, let's take some time to express gratitude to the people who have helped support you through life until now, without whom you probably wouldn't be where you are right now, right? I want you to envision the first person that came into your mind just now. And I want you to envision this person smiling, being happy that you are in his or her life. Let's be grateful for that person, whoever you're currently thinking of. Sometimes it can help to briefly imagine life without that person. How different life would be then. Isn't it funny what profound impact a single person can have on you and your life? Now, if you've already embarked into your day and decided to catch a small break with this meditation, or have just woken up, what's something, anything else that you could be grateful for? It can be as small as a happy and friendly look from a stranger, or something bigger, something that made your heart leap for a few seconds. Or perhaps even bigger, something or someone that has completely altered your trajectory in life. It can literally be anything that, if you now think back on, might bear more significance than you have previously thought. Let's be grateful in acknowledging this moment or thought and really try and feel the appreciation right now. You are doing great. We have been at it for about 5 minutes now. Lastly, I want you to think of a coincidence, something unexpected, something that happened for you. We all love things happening for us, right? What's something that happened for you or to you in the recent past that worked for you without having been an intention of yours at all? Something which, when you look back on, might seem like you were guided by the universe into the right path. A sign from the universe, if you will. I want you to think about one of those moments right now and really feel that building feeling of gratitude taking over your whole body. This is what bliss feels like, and you are in the midst of it right now. Take a deep breath and take it all in. Now, let's slowly start coming back to the present. Maybe move your fingers or your toes. And before you open your eyes to return to your day, I want you to, throughout your day, remember these 3 moments we have just thought of, reminding you of everything that is good and precious in your life. This way, you will attract more of these moments to ultimately be able to live your best life. Now, open your eyes and take a second to look around with your new state of mind. Be sure to practice this meditation daily for the next 30 days to really see a difference, to learn how to work with rather than against your ADHD by subscribing to my channel and ringing that notification bell to stay inspired. And lastly, if you've made it this far into the meditation, be sure to check out my ADHD mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness is a scientifically proven concept that can help you take back control over your ADHD life. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. This has been ADHD Vision. Till next time, guys.